Think Instagram knows too much about you? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several privacy settings you can check to limit how Instagram and Meta use your information. So, let's get started. Limit Instagram's permissions. Let's review Instagram's permissions. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap Apps. Next, tap on Manage Apps. Scroll down and select Instagram. Next, tap on App Permissions. Here, you'll see the different permissions and features Instagram can access, such as camera, microphone, notifications, and photos and videos. Review each permission carefully and turn off anything you don't need. For example, if you don't use a particular feature, you can disable its permission to give Instagram less access to your device. Control activity shared. With Meta next, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Account Center. Now, tap your information and permissions. Look for the option related to activity from other businesses. Here, you can review how activity shared by other businesses and websites may be used by Meta for advertising and recommendations. If the option is available, select Don't Allow and confirm your choice. Review Ad Preferences. Go back to Account Center and open Ad Preferences. Tap Manage Info if this option is available. Now, review the information and categories that Meta uses to personalize advertisements. If you see categories or interests that you don't want to be used for ad personalization, remove them where the option is available. Review audience-based advertising next. Go back to Ad Preferences and select Audience-Based Advertising. Here, you may see advertisers that have used information to show you targeted ads. Review ads and Meta activity. While you're still in Ad Preferences, check the available settings related to ads and activity from other apps and websites. Review these settings and choose the privacy option that best suits your preferences. You can also check ads about Meta and review whether Meta can use your activity to personalize advertisements about its products and services. Control social interactions in ads. Finally, look for social interactions in your ad settings. Select your Instagram account and review who can see your social interactions alongside advertisements. If you prefer more privacy, choose Only Me when that option is available. If you have multiple Instagram accounts connected to Account Center, repeat these steps for each account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Instagram and privacy tips. Thanks for watching.